Hi everyone, I'm Angie Kellen for SID. Today we're in San Francisco, California for Display Week 2016. Joining me now is Jennifer Davis with Planar Liard. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Thanks for taking the time to talk with me.
My pleasure.
You know, it's been 54 years. This is the 54th Display Week, if you can imagine. And SID has been putting these on consecutively. And every year they try to do something a little bit new. And you were actually part of one of those new items, and that was the Chief Marketing Officer panel that was held earlier this morning.
Right.
So I'd love to get your thoughts on how the panel was, and was there something new that you had learned from it?
Well, I think the idea of having forums for discussion that go beyond the display technology, I think it really helps keep the audience of SID engaged and exposed to a variety of ideas, plus just broadens the relevancy of Display Week to those involved in different functions in the organization beyond just engineering, R&D, or the scientific discovery community. So first and foremost, I was honored to be asked to be a part of the inaugural CMO forum and to participate with just such a great panel. Sriram Piravimba put a great panel together, that ranged different company sizes, different backgrounds of the panelists, as well as just a different aspect of the ecosystem. We had everything from material component suppliers to finished good products that sell at commercial consumer retail, and everything in between. So I thought the diversity of the panel was great, and I thought the questions that we got from the audience were really indicative that the whole audience was engaged in some of these topics that, again, go beyond just the technology, to think about the business implications of that technology, where innovation meets market need, and to again create a forum for discussion that I think will serve the organization into the future.
Wonderful. Well, thank you. And they are all about the ecosystem. SID is, and bringing it in, and it is expanding. So they want to keep being inclusive with all of the pieces out there. So I'm happy to hear that was something that had come through with that.
Yeah.
Jennifer, thank you so much for joining me, and I appreciate it. We're going to let you get back to enjoying the rest of Display Week.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
In San Francisco, Angie Kellen for SID.